Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact route number and when buses run, because frequency varies widely. Open a trusted app or the operator's timetable now. Make sure your contactless card or ticket is ready, and keep small change in case machines fail. Walk to the nearest marked stop and check the route display and the first/last departure times. This avoids waiting for an express that doesn't serve your stop. Once you see an approaching bus, step forward so the driver can spot you. When the bus arrives, signal and board promptly through the indicated door so you don't hold up service. Tap your contactless card or phone at the reader, or present a valid mobile ticket. Cash is last resort and often requires the exact fare, so prepare it. Once on board, move to the rear to free space. Note priority seats and stroller locations. If you need clarification about stops or a diversion, ask the driver politely. They'll tell you whether to change buses or stay aboard. As your stop approaches, signal early by pressing the stop bell once. Press again if the driver misses it, because some systems need advance notice to pull in. Gather bags, move to the door, and wait for the bus to stop fully before stepping down. This prevents trips on curbs or narrow stops. If you encounter a fare issue or service disruption, keep any receipt, note the bus number and time, and contact the operator promptly. This helps with refunds or lost property claims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.